Rolling. Action.
All right, what am I doing?
You really think you can mosey around these parts, Ramsey?
Cigarette.
No thanks, I'm quite alright. Forgot the rest of it.
Me too.
Oh wait, this was in my pocket.
That's not important. I need that horse to make some olive oil. Ugh, no.
Rolling.
What is that though?
That's egg.
Oh my god.
Can't look at Jacob, you're gonna make me laugh.
Name's Ramsey. Miss my hat.
Not important. I need that.
Hate those people. My father, what a dirty rat.
Whenever you're ready.
Cool dogs. Where'd you get them?
Rolling. Action.
Wasn't gonna get anything anyways.
Alright, well, you go.
It's okay. We're not. There's no audio in this scene. So it's, oh, she's in.
Where'd the bacon go?
Donk. Felix.
Felix. Rolling. Action. You don't have to do this
Ready?
again. Yep. All right, Ramsey. Whenever you're ready.
Speak to me! Say something!